everyone, Tom here from Daiwa, and I've got with me the brand new BGSW. So I want to talk over the technical features of BGSW. So it all begins with the introduction of POWERDRIVE design. So you've seen POWERDRIVE design start from our flagship SALTIGA spinning reels and now has found its way down into BG. So this is a really key feature of BG and really forms the cornerstone of what's made BGSW such a big upgrade. So POWERDRIVE design for BG is the inclusion of oversized power digigear into the gearbox. So you get a really much larger size drive gear, much larger diameter drive gear, which you can see here from that little bit bigger gearbox from the previous generation. So that bigger drive gear delivers you more cranking power, gives you more torque. So if you're fighting or battling really hard fighting fish, you've just got that extra bit of cranking power to get those fish up off of the bottom. POWERDRIVE design in BG also features our POWERDRIVE rotor. So a big change from the previous generation BG, the air rotor. So POWERDRIVE design rotor, you get that bowl shape or the spherical shape that all of our new generation rotors use to help eliminate line troubles. But the important thing with POWERDRIVE rotor is how much more stiff it is now. So we've really focused on improving the stiffness of that rotor, so you get a really strong rotor that doesn't flex at all. So when you set hooks with really heavy drags, you don't get any power loss, you don't get any flex through the rotor that causes you any trouble. So POWERDRIVE design into 26BG is a really great addition and really brings BGSW into the modern era. Talking back to the frame and construction of BG, of course we use all aluminium body and body cover like the previous generation BG. So that's really what's made BG so famous, is that really durable full aluminium construction. That just meshes those drive gears perfectly. It holds everything in perfect alignment when you've got a big solid aluminium body cover bolted straight through. It really helps keep everything meshed and aligned in perfect alignment there. So full aluminium body and body cover, and in 26BG SW we've integrated new sealing around where those two pieces join. So there's a full gasket that runs all the way around the perimeter of the body cover. So when those two parts get screwed together, it compresses that seal and keeps that gearbox basically completely watertight. We've also got seals, improved seals on the handle, on the main shaft. So we've really focused a lot on improving the water resistance of BGSW, which is really going to, again, prolong the life of your reel, increase that durability and give you a reel that you can depend on for a really, really long time. A couple of the other features of 26BG is the inclusion of crank power bail. So that's part of POWERDRIVE design as well, part of the POWERDRIVE rotor. But this is the first time we've used a solid wire bail for crank power bail. You've seen it in SALTIGA and Certate SW in a tubular form, but we've now got a solid wire bail, very, very strong, feeds the line into the line roller very well with that kind of upward kick to the angle of it. So delivers your line into the line roller really, really easily, so you get no problems with line twist at all. Of course, we're using carbon multi-stack drag, so this is our ATD Tough carbon drag system. So it delivers a really high maximum drag, but importantly also a very smooth maximum drag at really high pressures. So you get that really dependable drag that Daiwa reels are very famous for. Talking about the spool, we've also changed the spool structure from the previous BG. This is now featuring our long cast ABS SW spool design. So just that small taper to the spool lip increases your casting distance, especially with heavy braided line. So if you're throwing poppers for pelagic species or something, heavy braided line, you're going to experience a little bit longer cast with the new BG. And finally, developed some new handle knobs. So we've got two new handle knob shapes, both kind of a soft touch egg style shape. This is the larger of the two. The smaller one comes on 5,000 and 6,000 SW sizes, is a little bit more round shape. It's kind of a hybrid between a round and an egg knob, but super, super comfortable, really high grip. So when you're putting all that pressure through the new POWERDRIVE design, the new bigger gearbox, you've now got a really powerful handle to be able to grip and really put that power to work. So BGSW comes from a 5,000 size all the way up to a 20,000. This is the middle size, a 10,000 here that I've got. So whether you're inshore fishing for groupers or snappers or kingfish or things like that, up to a 20,000 for the biggest fish you encounter throughout the world. So BGSW, brand new for 2026, now featuring POWERDRIVE design. I think you'll be suitably impressed. So if you're in the market for a new saltwater spinning reel, make sure you check out the brand new 26 Daiwa BG.